How many times have you been in a game situation or even beginning a presentation for work and suddenly you don't know what to do? Your body doesn't respond the way you had rehearsed over and over preparing for the event. Former pro pitcher and current breath and human performance coach Harvey Martin knows exactly what you're going through because it happened to him. He has spent his post-athletic career training some of the top athletes and business executives in the world, including the San Francisco Giants. He recently released his book, Breathe, Focus, Excel, so that he could share his tips and expertise that helped the Giants set a franchise record of 107 wins in 2021. Now, in the book, Harvey explains the science behind breath work, how breathing affects various systems of the body, and why changing how you breathe can change your game. He treats breathing just like any other skill or fundamental movement pattern. Breathe, Focus, Excel guides you through breathing exercises that will expand your rib cage, protect your spine, and strengthen your pelvic floor. Ultimately, by improving your breathing, you will also improve your performance. There's even a chapter in the book that dives into cold exposure, heat exposure, and how to control breathing in stressful situations. This book truly is for everyone interested in human performance, and it can be found on our website, us.humankinetics.com. Get yours and breathe easy knowing you are taking the next steps in your performance.